Hey, welcome back to Blanchy Talks Watches. Obviously, from the box in front of me, this is going to be another unboxing video. They're coming in thick and fast at the minute, and this is another Kickstarter Microbrand watch. Quick wrist check. Speaking of Kickstarter Microbrand watches, we have the Vicara Calypso on the wrist. Make sure you check out my unboxing video that's up now, and I think the review will be up in a couple of days if I get the timings right in this. Okay, we're going to dive straight in and keep this one short and sweet. Huge thanks to Watch Junkie Watch Reviews for recommending me to this brand. I absolutely love the watch community and the watch reviewer community. There's so much collaboration between brands and reviewers, so I'm thrilled to be able to be part of that. This one is launching shortly on Kickstarter. I'm not sure exactly of the date, but I'll make sure I include it in the description. It's a brand I hadn't actually heard of before they reached out to me, but it looks pretty good, so I was excited to get it onto the channel and show you guys what I think. And there we have it. OVLO watches. This is the Manston model, I believe. Nice long box, standard cardboard outer sleeve. Yeah, the Manston. Nice logo. The V is watch hands. I think the packaging isn't finalised yet, but it'll be similar, I believe. Oh. There you go, so you got your product guide. Some info and details there. I won't go into too much details on it. It's got the Miyota 9015 movement, always a favourite. Yeah, standard affair, won't waste too much time on it. Let me check the warranty though. I know people are very interested in that. 1 year warranty on all products covering manufacturing defects. Cool. And you have what would be your warranty card, and that is it, other than the beautiful watch. Okay, let's pull it out and have a look. This comes in a range of different colours. This obviously is the black dial here. Yeah, it's quite nice. Lovely satin finish on the sides with the polished bezel. The tops of the lugs are high polish as well. Very, very nice. Black genuine leather strap with contrasting white stitch. Ties in perfectly with the dial. If I can get a focus on it there we go. Very nice. You've got the 12, 3, 6 and 9 applied indices, I believe, and then you've got printed on the dial, you've got the minute and sub-second track as well, and you can see the smaller increments of 5 coming off. That's quite nice. It's a good size as well. Okay, I'm going to try it on the wrist. There is quite a lot of reflections off the crystal, I'm finding. I'm filming this during the day for a change, so I don't actually have my ring light on, so you'll be seeing different reflections than normal, but I'd say there'll be quite a lot of reflections off my ring light. So the strap feels quite supple straight out of the box. Nice buckle with the double tang on it. You don't see that too often. I mean, it's nothing groundbreaking, but it is nice to have something that's just a little bit different than normal. Yeah, I think that fits me quite well. It is quite tall. I could probably wear the strap a bit tighter. I'll let it break in a bit before I do. A very nice side profile, domed crystal. You can kind of catch the distortion there. That's quite nice. You can also see my garden because it's so bright out today. Yeah, we've got the date at the 3 o'clock as well. It's a nice subtle date. Personally, I prefer no date watches. I know it does have its use and utility, so it is nice to see one that's not. It blends in. It fits the aesthetic very well. Signed crown. Yeah, this is quite nice. It's nice and big as well, without being overpowering. I mean, there is a trend towards smaller watches at the minute that I'm not personally a fan of. I'm not going to be buying any 36mm watches. Well, that said, I did get the Ando A1, so look, that's an exception, but in general, I'm not going to be getting any smaller watches, so it's good to see a new brand going for big, but not too big. Nice engraved, or laser etched maybe, rotor. And you've got some engravings then on the back. Designed in Britain, OVLO, stainless steel, water resistance, 100 meters, and I love seeing this. It's 000 out of 000, so this is a prototype. Something about getting prototypes in, I just absolutely love seeing pre-production watches. Very, very nice. It's classy as well. I think you could absolutely be wearing this into a boardroom or important meetings, and I think you could dress it down as well, and it wouldn't look a miss at all with a pair of jeans or shorts even for the summer. Yeah, very nice. Very impressed with this one. As always, I'll go into the full size and specs in the main review. This is just first thoughts and impressions, and yeah, good weight to it, great simple look, very nice hands. I like the stark contrast between the white and the black. And when I saw the colours, look, I was happy to get any colour. I thought I would have preferred a different colour, but seeing the black in person, yeah, I'm very, very impressed with this one. I'm trying to move away from getting black watches into my own collection. As I've said before in previous videos, my collection is quite dark, so I'm actively trying to get brighter colours into it. But yeah, there's always space in my collection for another watch like this. It's just such a classy look that you could really wear it with anything. But yeah, look, I'm going to leave it super short for today. I'm going to get this video out pretty quick for you guys, and I'll do the review next week. I'd say I just want to keep it moving because, as with all Kickstarter watches, I'll try and get them out quick to get you guys informed so you can jump on them while they're still available at the pre-order prices. Let me know what you think in the comments. Please do like, comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.